Do you have a cough? Brayden, do you have a cough? Okay, Brayden.
Brayden, do you have a cough?
What you doing, Bray? Do you want to go get a diaper? Sissy's in the mirror. Bray, you want to get a diaper? Oh, you gonna pinch your shoulder? Okay, bye-bye. Okay. Let's go get dressed, okay? You wanna go play? Yeah. Are you crazy? You wanna go play?